Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2005 Bobcat T190 rubber track skid steer loader. Now, this machine has 2,400 and I think it's 53 hours on it. I'll get you that here in a second. It is cab, heat, air, power attach. It does have the 12-inch wide track group on it. They are brand new tracks. We just put them on Monday. The machine just got done Monday. This machine does have two brand new drive motors in it from Woodland Fluid Power. They're actually remans. Whenever it came in here, the drive motors, the brakes were not working right, so we went ahead, ordered those in, put them in from Woodland Fluid Power. I have the receipts to that. This machine, we didn't get time to get finished up. It came in last year sometime. We just now got time to get it through the shop, get everything done. Machine, we have painted it. It wasn't because of any type of rust corrosion or anything like that. It was typical Bobcat. Tighter coat was chipped and it just up front it was chipped up, so we did paint the machine. So I'm not hiding anything. Again, that's why I do these videos. But let's go ahead, take you back here, start you back in the engine compartment, take you completely around the machine. Back door itself is actually really good and straight. It's not dented in, caved in, anything like that. Opens very good. Machine does have a Kubota V2403, which is the pencil injector engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that. Air conditioning works. We did go over the AC, and I believe we ended up putting a receiver dryer in it and an expansion valve. Everything there works good. It's had a service, so both inner and outer air filters, fuel, engine oil, hydraulic, all have been changed. We did have to put a new muffler in. Again, we like to go over our stuff and do the service work, so that is in and complete. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, oil leaks, anything like that at all. You know, we like to again get through our stuff and know what we have. So, of course, engine oil is black from being a diesel, but there again, we have done the service work and we do know what we got there. Go ahead, before we close that, you do have back here your radiator cover, overflow jug, condenser, radiator, everything there is good. There's no oil leaks, anything like that. We did put the original Bobcat decals back on. Hydraulic oil level is full. So both tracks are brand new. You can see on the rollers how fat they are. They're nice and thick. Sprockets the same way. Sprockets were very, very nice. I'd estimate the rest of the undercarriage to be 85%. I did end up putting two new idlers on both sides. They were showing a bit of wear. I went ahead and put two brand new idlers. Front idlers are excellent. We'll walk over to the other side and show you both sides match up. Coming up front, we have an OEM Bobcat 68-inch bucket with a good cutting edge. It's not worn back to the holes yet. The bucket's in very good shape. It does have Bobcat power attach. It does have auxiliary hydraulics with the case drain. It does have attachment control device. A little cap is broke off of it, but it is there if someone wants to run an attachment. We did have to put a new wiper blade on. Wiper and washer all work. Front glass is in good condition. Coming in the cab, we did put a new tread plate seal here between the threshold plate and the body of the machine. And I'm going to take you inside the cab right now. So, standard controls machine. You know, hand for steering, foot for your bucket and boom controls. Gas shock's good, all the wiring, everything there is good. It is a keyless dash machine. Go ahead and start it here. We'll go up. Active warnings, no active warnings. Vitals, you can see there's all the vitals of the machine. Exit. Power bomb attach, park brake. 24:32 on the hours. Take you one step closer here. No error codes. AC, everything there works. Washer works, wiper works. Has new inner and outer cabin filters. vents are in the cab, throttle, even the dome light works. Whenever I bought this machine, the 2 front windows were missing. So we went ahead, they were $300 a piece from Bobcat. They are brand new OEM Bobcat front windows, track, everything there is good. I have ordered from Bobcat. They will be put in before the machine is sold. The front insulation corners there. They're just a sound reduction material. We'll turn the camera back over to Spencer here. So, at this point, we're going to take the machine, going to start it up, going to run it, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. I will engage the parking brakes to show you that they work. We're going to take the bucket on and off. We'll go down here to the shale pile and show you that the machine picks up a full bucket of slate. And we're going to work it here for you. We like to do that to be a little different than everybody else. A lot of guys just start a machine, move it forward and back, and that's it. We're going to go ahead and run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. We hope you like this video, and we honestly show, honestly representing a used machine. It's what we like to do. The door, whenever I stop there and reshut the door, this door really seals tight against the cab. You got to make sure you get it slammed shut. There is a door sensor on there, and it works to keep that machine from busting your front door if you'd have it swung open and go to pick up your boom. So again, 2,432 hours, brand new tracks, new drive motors, fully serviced, OEM 68-inch Bobcat bucket, cab heat air, all glasses complete, good clean machine that we did paint. But you can see I'm not afraid to put my machine to work and show you that something honestly is what it is, not just start it, move it forward and back, and that's it. So there's a lot of guys out there on the internet doing that today. You guys will all pay for that someday. It is what it is. You know, you're selling garbage. I'm trying to do the right thing and sell a good, honest machine. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you want to come by and see this machine yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. I have nothing to hide. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at marksupply88. Thank you again. I'm Nick Miller. I can be reached 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day, and thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company.